We have some drama, you guys. More YouTube beauty guru drama. Alright? But before I get into the drama and read these cards, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and share. Make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you get a notification whenever I go live or upload a brand new video. Also, make sure that you follow me on my social media pages. My Instagram is at Lamarr Townsend. My Facebook is Lamarr Townsend Tarot. The links to my social media pages are in the description box below. Also, make sure that if you want a reading, check out my website, lamarrtownsendtarot.com. I am an astrologer as well as a psychic tarot reader, and I would love to read for you. I am available for readings, so check out my website, purchase your reading. I'll email you a confirmation as soon as possible, and we'll get your reading done as soon as possible. So, beauty YouTuber Jaclyn Hill is in some drama. She just recently launched a palette, or I think it was actually makeup or lipstick. It was lipstick. She launched some lipstick, and apparently didn't go so well. Customers, fans have been complaining about finding hair and dust balls, allegedly, and other weird things in their lipstick. So I believe Jaclyn has canceled the lipstick line, but I just want to see what is going to be the outcome for Jaclyn Hill here from this point moving forward. Is Jaclyn Hill over? All right. Beautiful woman. All right. Love her makeup. But is Jaclyn Hill over? Make sure you guys subscribe if you want a personal reading from me. Check out my website, lamarrtownsendtarot.com. Also, check out the rest of my videos if you are new to my channel. We spill the tea here and we drink it too. Is Jaclyn Hill over? Definitely get the energy that she's going through a rough time right now. I feel like this situation, coupled with some other things going on in her life, is really, almost tipping her over the edge when it comes to stress and that type of thing. Is Jaclyn Hill over? Definitely could be having money issues right now. Could be dealing with money issues concerning her company. For some reason, I feel like the whole thing with the things being found in her makeup, I feel like, and I kind of got this hit before I did the reading, but I feel like it was due to cost effectiveness, trying to cut costs. I feel like she's a little cheap. What's her zodiac sign? Is she an earth sign? Or does she have earth in her chart, or airy? She feels a little earthy or airy. She's a little cheap, alright? And she's like, something about cutting costs, cutting corners. When it comes to her formula, I feel that caused this situation. Is Jaclyn Hill canceled? Is she over? Not completely. I definitely think she's maybe marred her image in business when it comes to other people doing business with her. But I think, Jaclyn, I think your fans have it in them to forgive you. But I do think there's something about you where you need to get it together in business. I don't know if you need like a business partner, or if you have a business partner, if you have a business team helping you make decisions. But I feel like you just need better business acumen. Like, your issue is business related. And also paying more attention to the people you do business with as well, including the lab that you did your business with when it came to that makeup. I'm wondering if that lab is, I'm wondering if the lab is of quality, or are they the type of lab that cut costs and will swap certain ingredients for this type of ingredient. Like I feel like there's something about quality control, but there is something about cutting costs as well. Is Jaclyn Hill over? Not completely, but there is also an element of having to work once again from the ground up. I feel like there have been a few business mistakes, and you're really gonna have to kind of like work your reputation from the ground up again here, Jaclyn. All right. I'm also wondering if you're in the best mental state. I'm not sure if you were in the best mental state to launch, a new line. To be honest with you, there could be some legal issues coming for this line as well, related to a love relationship, something like that. So, I don't know. I just feel like you need to be better with business. Be smarter with business. There's certain things that you're missing and not paying attention to, not realizing. I also feel like she tries to be this beauty guru that keeps up with everyone else. Jaclyn, I think you need to work on staying in your lane. And I have to be honest, I don't really watch you, but I've been hearing the drama lately, and I'm like, let me read into the situation. All right, so very quickly, I just want to know what's in the future for Jaclyn Hill in her career. What's in the future for Jaclyn Hill in her career? There's something about where I don't know if do you have a husband or like an ex-husband or something like that, but they made like he may kind of get like get kind of a tickle out of your misery in some way, or he may like capitalize off your misery. So I feel like this is related to love, romance, something along those lines. You trying to do your own thing or branch away from something that involved you and another person, and you just moved away too soon with this lipstick line. Let's get some further clarification for Jaclyn Hill. What lies ahead for Jaclyn Hill moving forward? Money issues. You may have to sell some things. You may have to, I don't know. It may be maybe not bankruptcy, but something about foreclosure, possibly selling something, selling property, something along those lines. I feel like you've got to move smarter, Jaclyn. You've got to move smarter. And you may want to move from where you currently live. Where do you live? Do you live in California? Do you live in LA? You may want to move from that area if you live in California or LA. Or, I don't know, there's something about you needing to move. I'm wondering if this is related to that husband energy or boyfriend energy I'm getting. Did you share a home with your husband? I'm wondering if you stayed in the home and he left, and I don't know. I also feel like you may benefit from a spiritual cleanse as well. All right? Gotta be smarter in business. I would definitely not move to make another palette or make another makeup anything until you get better business acumen, until you find better people to work with as well. All right? But that may be a little bit hard at this point. Your name was on the line. Your name was in the forefront when it came to that makeup, that lipstick thing. And so you're really gonna have to work that name, and the reputation that comes with that Jaclyn Hill name from the ground up. And I'm also feeling a name change as well. I don't know why. I feel like you're gonna completely rebrand in some way, shape, or form. Yeah, you're gonna end up rebranding. Within a year or two, you'll be rebranded, and I think you'll be back on your feet. But from there on, you've got to be on your A game, Jaclyn, when it comes to business. You can't slack. You can't cut corners. Quality, quality, quality is what I want you to take from this. Quality. All right? quality. And stay focused. You have a little bit of trouble with focus too, alright? Especially when you have a lot going on behind the scenes. Alright, so you may want to work on grounding yourself, getting more to spirituality too, girl. Alright? Beautiful makeup, though. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you want a personal reading from me, check out my website, LamarrTownsendTarot.com. I am available for readings. I'm always listening, alright, to y'all. Alright, love y'all. Make sure you subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love and light. And, contact me for a reading, okay? See ya.